Hello and welcome to the lecture session on numerical solutions of ordinary differential equations and the fourth module. Today I am going to discuss about what is Taylor series and the problems based on that. The numerical solutions of first order and first degree ODE. So let us consider the ODE of the form dy by dx is equal to f of xy with the initial condition of the form y of x0 is equals to y0. The problem of finding y subject to initial condition is called as the initial value problem. So we have some methods for solving the ODE initial value problems. The first method is the Taylor series method, then modified Euler's method, Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, Milne's predictor and corrector method, and Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector method. These are the methods we use in order to solve the ODE, that is ordinary differential equations of that is initial value problems. So in the Taylor series method, the working procedure is, first of all, we consider the initial value problem, that is dy by dx is equals to f of xy with the initial condition y of x0 is y0. And that is, we will assume y dash as f of xy. Next, we differentiate this successively to get y double dash, y triple dash and y fourth derivative and so on. Putting x is equals to x0 and y is equals to y0, in these we get y dash of x0, y double dash of x0, etc. Putting these values in the Taylor series given by y of x is equals to y of x0 plus x minus x0 y dash x0 plus x minus x0 the whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x0 plus x minus x0 the whole cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x0 and so on gives the values of y for every value of x. This is the procedure we adopt in order to find a solution for an initial value problem of ordinary differential equation by using the Taylor series method. So let us see the problems now. First one, using the Taylor series method, compute the solution of dy by dx equal to x squared plus y square with y of 0 equals to 1 at x is equals to 0.1 and of order 4. Given dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square and the initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 1. That is, x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. So, the given equation is considered as y dash, that is equal to x squared plus y square. When we substitute y dash of x0, when we find out x0 as a 0, the substitute, we get 0 plus 1 whole square, 1 square is 1. Next, y double dash. Let us differentiate y dash in order to get y double dash. That gives us 2x plus 2y y dash. Again, substitute x0 and y0 in the place of x and y and also y dash naught. That gives us y double dash of x0 on substitution 2 into 0 plus 2 into 1 into 1 because y is 1 and y dash is also 1. On substitution and simplification we get the value as 2. Similarly, once again we differentiate successively the y double dash to get 2 plus 2y y double dash plus 2y dash whole square. Again substitute the x0 value, y0 value, y dash naught and y double dash naught from the previous one to get y triple dash of x0 and simplify to get the value of that as 8. Y fourth derivative we will find out because it is up to fourth order we need to get it. So we are doing up to fourth derivative. Then we get 2y y triple dash plus 2y double dash y dash plus 4y dash y double dash. This again we will substitute the values of x naught, y naught, y dash naught, y double dash naught and y triple dash naught. All these values if we substitute and simplify, we get it as 28. So after getting the y dash, y double dash, y triple dash and y fourth derivative, let us substitute in the Taylor series. So the Taylor series expansion formula is given by y of x is equals to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash x naught plus x minus x naught the whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught the whole cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught plus one more term also need to be considered because it is up to fourth order, that is x minus x naught the whole power 4 by 4 factorial into y fourth derivative of x naught. So let us substitute y of x naught as 1 and x minus x naught where x naught is 0 and y dash of x naught we computed it as 1. X minus x naught where x naught value is 0. So x minus 0 whole square by 2 factorial which is 2 and into y double dash of x naught is 2 and x minus x naught whole cube by 6 into y triple dash is 8, x minus x naught power 4 by 24 into y fourth derivative of x naught is 24. So this on simplification we get the series as 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 3 plus 7x power 4 by 6. This is on simplification we get it. Now let us put x is equals to 0.1 and 0.2 in this to get y of 0.1 as 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 square plus 4 into 0.1 whole cube by 3 plus 7 into 0.1 whole power 4 by 6 is equal to 1.11145. Similarly, y of 0.2 in place of 0.1 it is substituted as 0.2 to get the value as 1.2525. Second question, using the Taylor series method, compute the solution of dy by dx is equal to x minus y square with y of 0 as 1 at x is equals to 0.1 correct to fourth decimal place. Given dy by dx as x minus y square, the initial condition is y of 0 is 1, so that x naught is 0 and y naught is 1. Assume y dash is equal to x minus y square, that is given. So if you differentiate it, you will be getting y double dash is equal to 1 minus 2y y dash and y triple dash is minus 2y y double dash minus 2y dash the whole square. Now after substituting x naught value in the y dash, we get it as minus 1. For y double dash, we get 3 and for y triple dash, we get minus 8. Now having these values, let us consider the formula for Taylor series and substitute these values. So the formula for the Taylor series is given by y of x is y of x naught plus x minus x naught y dash x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught a whole cube by 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught. Since it is asked up to third term only, third degree term, so we are considering up to third only. So let us substitute the values y of x naught, y dash of x naught, y double dash of x naught and y triple dash of x naught respectively, along with x naught values as 0. On simplification, y of x gives us 1 minus x plus 3x square by 2 minus 4x cube by 3. And now this is the required Taylor series for the given problem. But we need to have x is equal to x is equals to 0.1 in this, we get y of 0.1 is equals to 0.9137. Next example. Using the Taylor series method, find the solution of x dy by dx is equal to x minus y with y of 2 is equal to 2 at x is equals to 2.1, correct up to 5 decimal places. So let us consider the given problem, but here x is the coefficient of dy by dx. Let us bring it to the right hand side and simplify so that we get dy by dx is equals to 1 minus y by x. But here the initial condition is given as y of 2 is equals to 2. Therefore, x naught is also 2 and y naught is also 2. And y dash is given by 1 minus y by x and y dash of x naught is given by 0. Y double dash. So y double dash, when we differentiate y dash, we get minus y dash by x plus y by x square. So on substitution of x naught and y naught, y1 dash, y1 naught, we get simplification value is half. Similarly, differentiate y double dash in order to get y triple dash. This is the derivative of y double dash, that is y triple dash. On substitution of x naught, y naught, y dash, y double dash naught, we get value as minus 3 by 4. Now we need to substitute all these values in the Taylor series. As we know, the Taylor series formula is given by this, and we have considered up to third term only. And on substitution putting the value of 2.1 in the place of x, we get this, and simplified form is 2.002375. This is the final answer for y of 2.1. Thank you.